Big one. Oh, dude, big large.
Dang.
Dude, look at that. That is awesome. Dude, look at that fish, bro. Southeastern Wisconsin. Tiny river, largemouth. Let it go. Just switched up. That was my second cast. I got a number 3 Meps on. And I knew it would work. And it did.
Another nice smallie. She go.
Back-to-back cast.
What do we got? It is a sucker.
Trophy class sucker fishing. The better fish here.
Oh, jumper. Big smallie. Oh yeah.
That's a good one. All right, man. There's bigger.
Uh-oh.
What we got here?
What do we got?
Smallie? Ooh, catty.
Catfish.
There you go. Just got an 1/8 ounce jig with a 2.5 inch chartreuse shad gulp on there. So we're just fishing a little deeper hole here. So nothing too crazy. So that's alright. It's the second one. So those are good size. Those are good eaters right there.
For sure. Uh-oh. What do we got this time? Multi-species.
Oh.
Healthy fish.
Try that shit. Just that little hole right in there, or right up in there. It's shallow. So you thought I was lying. There, man, no faith in me. Huh? Yeah, no faith in me. Large mouth. smaller. Cast number one. One fish.
Trophy status, son.
That's a big rock bass, dude.
There we go.
Oh, Logan's hooked up. Oh, doubled up.
Mine's a smallie.
Oh,
There was a smallie.
look at the gut on that thing.
Still not like that
That's
trophy rock
stupid.
bass. Are you gonna mount that thing or
That thing is pretty big.
bug eyes?